In this video right here, man, I'm finna show you how to get that perfect lather when it comes down to doing your washing styles, man. A lot of mistakes is because y'all don't have that perfect lather. Your hair don't lay like it's supposed to, man. But have no fear, man. You know your boy SwaggDrizzle is here for you, man. I promise. You don't want to miss this video, man. Let's get it, man. Gang.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey! But y'all just don't know how it felt to do that intro right there, man. I promise. In this video, man, I'm finna show you how to get that perfect lather every time, man. You feel me? When you washing your hair, cause when you doing your washing styles, you want that lather. That was gonna lay your hair down to how you want it. So, and I know y'all wanna see the ways too, don't you? Y'all wanna see what I'm working with. I'm finna show you. I'm finna show you. You feel me?
Oh my God!
Woo! Got him! The boy waveless. But you know I got waves. I ain't gonna even, hey, come on now. You know I got waves on this. If you don't believe me, just all you gotta do is stay tuned to the video. You feel me? But yo, we're gonna get right into it, man. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, man. When it come down to washing your hair, the first thing you wanna do is wet your hair. Boy, y'all know I can't swim. Okay, so now what you wanna do, grab your shampoo. Any shampoo will work. You feel me? Rub it in your hair. This your first wash, so it's not gonna be that much lather. The only thing you should be focusing on is cleaning your hair. Okay, the thing you see me dabbing with, man, this is a shampoo brush, man. So if you don't have one, just skip the step. Use your hand. Man, I gotta start doing that, bro. Okay, this is the second wash, man, and you gonna notice your hair gonna have a little more lather than last time. So that's what you need right here. You see it? You need that lather, man. Alright, YouTube, now what you want to do is grab your little struped up dub brush, man. If you don't have the shampoo brush, man, don't worry, man. Just skip that step and go straight to your regular brush that you usually do your washing style with. It's not that major. It just help with the detangling before you get to your regular brush. But if you don't have it, just continue on. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, man, we about to grab that regular brush and we about to go ham. No cap, we about to put in that work. You feel me? Especially when you washing, this the best time to get your waves looking like how you want it. You feel me? This the styling process of the wash. So yes, let's put in that work, man. When I tell you the work is real, bro, the work is real, man. You feel me? And we ain't even done yet. We ain't even done yet, man. We still putting in work. No cow. Okay, now, big bro, how you get that mean session in, big bro? You finna go crazy. You finna lay it down, man. You feel me? And we about to just do hand over hand. It ain't really no method, but it's just to make sure everything is laid down to a T. You feel me? The more foam you have, the better your hair is gonna lay, man, and the results gonna be immaculate. Ooh, woo! Yes, sir. You know what time it is, man. It's time to rag up, man. I usually use a thin little woman stocking, man. You feel me? I picked up from Walmart, no cap. You feel me? Then I double compress with a thin do-rag. You feel me? To make the water easy to go through and, you feel me, get through them waves, get that soap out your hair. You feel me? Easy. You don't have to tuck in your cape right there, but I don't want water dripping all down my back and stuff, so yes, sir. You feel me? Straight like that, easy. You should have been got all the soap out your head, and now you just want to pat the do-rag a little dry, you feel me? It's not gonna get all the way dry. At this point, you can either blow dry your hair or wait till it's completely dry. Do not take the do-rag off until it's dry. And straight like that, I'm gone.
You wanna ride my way.